Alright guys, welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. Today we're going to cut some 4x4s for future use and other projects. So we're going to try to get some 4x4 oak out of some oak logs I have over here. So yeah, changing the blade. Got a blade I just sharpened. So yeah, should be good to go. We'll get that blade on, get her tightened up, get the log loaded, and we'll go from there. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. Alright guys, so we're down to the cant square. It's like 8.5 or 9 inches each way. So what I did was marked it out so you can see what's going to happen. But I have one cut right here, it's a 2-inch piece, and one right here is another 2-inch piece. So we'll cut them off, and then we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 good 4x4s. And so see what happens. Let's get her done. guys, so we got four 4x4s and 4 2x4s out of this. Not bad for one oak log. Not too bad. So we'll put these away tomorrow. I got them dated, not for any specific purpose, just for my own reference, because I'm keeping these. So yep, Sawmill's cleaned up, ready for the next trip. So appreciate you guys being here, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.